The 2025 FC450 Factory Edition sets the standard for competition-focused motocross machinery by offering the ultimate combination of a lightweight, agile chassis, advanced SOHC engine, and specifically chosen technical accessories. An unrivaled on-track experience for riders of all abilities is assured. Engine performance can be customized easily thanks to an extensive selection of electronic rider aids, while the latest WPX-ACT suspension is fully adjustable for a personalized setup. ProTaper handlebar second to none when it comes to function and style. The ProTaper handlebar is lightweight and incredibly strong. The specifically selected bar bend reduces pressure points on the rider's hands with soft compound ODI lock-on grips offering additional comfort. Engine producing an impressive amount of power. The SOHC 450cc engine is the result of advanced engineering techniques and tips the scales at just 26.8 kg. The position of the engine inside the chassis ensures refined anti-squat behavior from the chassis for smooth acceleration across rough terrain. DDS clutch. The FC450 Rockstar Edition is equipped with a DDS, Dampened Diaphragm Steel, clutch. Unique in design, the exclusive characteristics of this system include a single diaphragm steel pressure plate, factory triple clamps featuring a unique clamping design for perfect fork alignment and uncompromised suspension performance. The CNC machined factory racing triple clamps are fully adjustable to offer true customization, with a choice of 2 offset positions. WPX-ACT front suspension. The high-performance WPX-ACT 48mm split air forks feature new settings to match the revised frame and linkage, ensuring the motorcycle delivers the highest level of comfort, balance, and cornering agility. WPX-ACT shock absorber. Optimized linkage geometry and low-friction seals ensure the fully adjustable WPX-ACT shock delivers exceptional performance. In addition to offering 300mm of rear wheel travel, the WP shock offers progressive damping, energy absorption, and confidence-inspiring cornering agility. Frame. New engine mounts and a revised frame reduces overall weight while improving flex characteristics and stability, which is particularly noticeable when braking into corners. The frame itself is expertly crafted from hydroformed, laser-cut, and robot-welded steel and finished with a premium white powder coating for a true race team look. Subframe. The composite subframe is manufactured using advanced technologies, constructed with a blend of 60% polyamide and 40% aluminum. The subframe weighs only 1.8 kg. The FMF Factory 4.1 RCT silencer is a championship-winning component. Beautifully crafted with a blue anodized titanium body and finished with a carbon fiber end cap, the silencer is considerably lighter than standard, slightly shorter to centralize mass, and delivers a notable boost to overall performance. Swingarm. The aluminum swingarm is designed for optimal stiffness and durability thanks to the proven die casting process that ensures the lowest weight possible. The chain guard and glider have a smooth profile and offer outstanding durability. Brembo brakes. Brembo brakes deliver class-leading braking performance, with a 260mm floating front disc, protected by a 2K carbon composite front disc protector, and a 220mm wave rear disc. Factory wheel set. Superior craftsmanship at its finest. Black anodized Excel Takasago rims laced to black CNC machined hubs using high-quality spokes create an exceptionally strong pair of wheels. Tires delivering best-in-class performance. The Dunlop GMAX MX34 tires feature a race-proven block within a block designed for progressive cornering and exceptional grip on a wide variety of racing surfaces.